up, y'all? It's Niahmonice back here with another video. So today I'm just gonna be showing y'all how to take care of your lashes. So if you came to this video, because I know y'all saw the title, if you came to this video today and you said, "Oh, niece, I need help," or you said, "Oh, niece, I don't know how to put on lashes, this is new," or you said, "Tanaya, how do you take them off without it hurting?" Or you even said, "Tanaya, I just bought a pair of your lashes and I'm new. I really want to wear them, but I don't know how to put them on. I don't know how to clean them. I don't know how to take them off. I don't know how to, take care of them when I'm not at home, when I don't have nothing to put them in." If you came to this video today and you said any one of those or even all of those, you are in the right place. Okay, you are in the right place. Raise your hand if you said any one of those things today, because I'm here to help you. So raise your hand. I just want to see, have a head count. Just raise your hand. I see that hand. I see that hand. I see that hand. Yes, I see that hand. I see that hand right there in the back. I see that hand. Okay. I see that hand. I see your hand. All right, so let me just tell you now, you've came to the right place. I'm here to help you. Okay, I'm not gonna sell no lashes and then not tell y'all how to put them on, how to take them off, how to take care of them, and things of that nature, because it's not how I do. I want to tell y'all the bits and pieces. Okay. All right, so for one, make sure you subscribe to my channel. You should already did that, but I mean, if you didn't, you knew, go ahead and subscribe. Okay, don't hesitate. I promise you it'll be worth it. But make sure you check my links down below. I do have my site down there. Make sure you go purchase, get you some lashes, 25mm mink silk lashes. Make sure y'all go purchase. Y'all, let's get into this video. All right, y'all, so to put your lashes on, I get asked this more than anything, like how to take them off, how to clean them, anything. I get asked how to put them on, so I'm just gonna show y'all how I put my lashes on. There are two ways to do it. I'm only gonna show you the way I do it. I mean, I guess I can kind of show y'all both, but so for one, get your lash, get your glue. Now don't say nothing about my hair glue, because this works better than Duo or whatever y'all be using. No, I'm not knocking Duo, but Duo don't be sticking. Not for me. But anyways, get your lash. You can hold it with your hands, or you can hold it with your lash applicator or your tweezers, whichever you would prefer. I'm gonna hold them with my lash applicator. So I just take my glue, put a thin line. You don't know what's the right amount. Just don't put a glob of glue all in the same place. Like, please do not do that, honey. That's how your eye gonna get irritated, when you put so much glue all in the wrong place. Like, don't do that, please. Don't say tonight you're supposed to do that, because I did not. I did not tell you to do that. A little bit, just a thin layer of glue. You don't need a lot, because that plays a part in taking it off. So you just kind of let it dry just for a couple seconds or whatever. I don't know why I was waving at y'all. So, and you want to place the lash on your lashes, not on your skin. Please do not place it on your skin, because when you look up, you're going to see your skin through your lash. So, and it's going to look like your lashes is hanging off. So place it on your actual like lashes, your hairs. Hold on. And sometimes I gotta use my hands because the lash be crazy, but yeah. hope y'all can see. I'm really trying to make sure y'all can see good. And I'm trying to put the lashes on too. And so when I get it where I want it, I just keep pushing on it until I feel like it's just on there good. Okay, and so how I check it to see if it's good or if I need some more glue, I look down, I kind of bend it down. If the lash moves like it just did, I need some more glue up here. I don't know why this lash being stubborn, but lashes got their own mind. So one day they want to work, next day they don't. So I forgot to tell y'all, you can take the back of your applicator. I use tweezers because it's thinner, and I use it to put more glue on my lash. Usually when I need more glue in one place, I just go ahead and put one more thin layer across the whole lash, just to make sure no pieces are like being lifted. So that's what I just did. I hope y'all can see I like dabbed it across the lash line just like that. So I hope y'all can see, like if I look down, you'll kind of see where I placed the glue, but I clean that up later. So to clean up the glue, like say if I got some up here, all I would do with this glue is just rub it a little bit gently until it comes off, and I'm good. That's why I like to use the hair glue, because it comes off really easy. That's why I really like this hair glue to use for my lashes, because if I get it on my clothes, all I gotta do is rub it off. Like what's this, Salon Pro hair bonding glue? I know y'all done seen this before. Don't act like y'all ain't seen it before. But yeah, and so after that, I just take my hand like this and I press my lashes and the extension, and just press it together. And it's for more security of your lash. So, and it'll look like this. When it look like this, I'll be like, oh yeah, she on. She on good. All right, y'all. So how to take off your lashes. It's very easy, honestly. I have two ways that I know that you can take off your lashes. Well, strip lashes. For one, you can use water if you want to use water. I personally don't use water because it's just not convenient for me. I mean it is, but it's like I just take mine off regular. So you can either start from the back or the front. All you do is just take it gently. Now this is your eye we're talking about. Yeah. That's why you don't put on too much glue. I told you not to put on so much glue, honey. Your eye gonna be hurting. But anyways, yeah. So take one end and you just lightly peel off. Did you see how easy that was? I don't know if you just seen how easy that was. Hunty, that's how you take them off. 2 seconds. Oh my God. No, but for real, that's literally how I take my lashes off. So yeah, I take them off. So let's talk about cleaning your lashes and how to like take care of them when you're out. So like say if you want to take them off when you're out, but you don't have your box with you. So for one, carry your box around if you're going out and you know that you that type of person that don't like to keep stuff on long. I always recommend taking your box with you. Now, if your purse is too small and you don't want to take the box with you, get you a little sandwich bag or a little small plastic bag to carry in your purse or your bag or whatever. And when you take your lashes off, put one lash on top of the other one so they stay together. A lot of times people just, I don't know, they take them off and they put one over here, one over there, and then you lost your lashes because they're easy to lose. But stack them on top of each other, one lash on top of the other, and put them in that bag, and then put them in whatever purse or whatever you're carrying, so you can make sure that you're not gonna lose them. Like, that's what I do. Honestly, I keep me like a little plastic bag, and if not, if you have a zipper in your purse, in your bag, do the same thing. Stack your lashes on top of each other because they're going to stay together. Make sure you don't have a bunch of stuff in that pocket, that little zipper pocket or whatever, and just put them in there. Just put them in there flat and zip them up. They're not going to mess up or anything. I do it literally all the time, and I just come back to it when I get home, take them out, and they still the same way I left them. So that's one thing I do, like if I'm out or and I want to take them off, because sometimes they just get irritating. You got lashes on all day, sometimes you just want to take them off. Like, so yeah, that's what I do. That's how I take care of them when I'm out. So let's get on to cleaning your lashes. I'm going to actually show y'all firsthand on how you clean them, so just stay tuned for the next clip. Alright guys, so I'm about to show you guys how to clean them, what I use, the steps I take, and yeah, so let's get started. Yeah, so after I have I'm pretty sure water works. I have not tried water, but I do use my contact solution because I wear contacts. But yeah, I do use my contact solution to clean my lashes. So one thing I do is I just do maybe like 2 or 3 drops on the lash. That's all. Y'all, so while I was recording this, I definitely didn't realize that my camera had stopped recording. So basically all I was saying was after I brushed my lash out, I just let it air dry, and then I brushed it out again with a dry lash brush, and it was good as new. So yeah. Alright guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you all liked it. I hope it helped anybody who needed that type of guidance of taking care of your lashes, putting them on, taking them off, taking care of them when you're out or anything of that nature. I really hope it helped y'all. So yeah, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and make sure you guys go watch my other videos because I do have more videos on here. Make sure to check my links down below. I have my website down there so you can purchase your lashes from me. And make sure to connect with me on my social medias, which are also down below. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video.